Alrighty folks, today we got a 2007 model LULL 944E-42 telescopic forklift, 3,500 hours, 4-cylinder Cummins, 110 horsepower, turbo diesel engine, 4-speed power shift, 9,000 pound lift capacity, telescopic boom and a sliding boom, hydraulic adjustable forks, tilt mast, four-wheel drive, does have a cab with heat, fenders all the way around. Really nice machine right here, folks. You can come check this machine out here at our lot, 13601 Highway 45 North, Finger, Tennessee. You can also check this machine out on our website, southern-equipment-llc.com. We thank you for watching our videos, and we look forward to you coming to see us.